Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For a lot of people, myself included, have been super intimidated by these larger than matte projects. But I promise you, this 35-inch Ariel will be the easiest larger than matte project you will ever do, because all you have to do is download the SVG, upload it to Design Space, change the size, and cut. I pre-cut the SVG to fit a 12 by 24 inch mat. I got mine from Walmart for about $10. After I changed the size to 35 by 35 inches, I went in and ungrouped everything. The tan layer and the black layer needed ungrouping as well. When I went to make the project, it still said it didn't fit the mat, but I repositioned this part of her fin like this, and I was able to move on to cutting. I'm not sure why. That's something you may have to do, but I find it kind of silly that I had to do that. So next, you simply just cut out all of your pieces. Since I am a procrastinator, I waited until 2 days before my daughter's birthday party to make this. So I'm using a variety of materials, from light and heavy cardstock to even HTV vinyl. I had to use whatever I had laying around. The fin, I decided to do something a little different. I just used a random color to cut the fin out. A good way to remove your cardstock from the mat without it curling is to peel the mat off of the paper. Now I'm going to put the two pieces together with some tape. I'm going back into Design Space and selecting this scale shape, and then I'm going to duplicate this a gazillion times and then cut these out. Now, of course, this is optional, and since my baby girl asked for this, I wanted to go all out, but all I have to say is never again. I'm sure there's cardstock with some type of mermaid scale pattern on it, but never again will I cut each one individually and glue them on. Once they are dry, then I went around the edge and cut the excess off. Once you have all your pieces cut out, you just simply put everything together. I flipped the black layer over so that way I can easily put the tape on the pieces. Once you have your black layer completed, it's time to apply the rest of the layers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY and craft videos. Thank you so much for watching.